Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing some homemade hamburger that, the kids wants to eat. So today I went and got some meat from my local Giant store. You guys, I am loving Giant so far since Pathmark has closed. So Giant is my number one. Yes, my number one store for right now. So as you can see, this whole entire meat cost me $13.33, y'all. Yes, $13.33. So I'm gonna be dividing this meat into two, because I'm gonna do half lasagna and half hamburger. And yeah, I'm gonna mix the meats. I'm also gonna add ground turkey into this. I'm also gonna divide it in half as well. So next I have this sweet Italian sausage that I got from my local Price Rate to give it an extra flavor. So I'm gonna divide this into, yeah, three different, three each. So let me put that there. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm actually gonna open it up like that, take this out, and then take this sausage out of it and put it in a bowl. Just like that. Okay. So now that we got this out of the way, I'm gonna change my gloves. I'm gonna come back, put in the new gloves, because I'm gonna be dealing with seasoning and things like that. So let me show you guys what I did with my onions. As you see, I kind of like burned it a little bit, put it on high. So I kind of caramelized my onions before putting it in here. So now what I'm gonna do is going to season everything else into that bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the onions into the mix. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna put seasoned salt. I will list down all of the ingredients down. I'm gonna put Worcestershire sauce, if that's how you see it. I'm gonna put black pepper. It's gonna be a good burger, y'all. I'm gonna put parsley flakes. onion powder. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Onion powder. I can't find my garlic powder, which is okay. Okay. So now I got my 3 eggs. And I have my breadcrumbs. Gabriel, come pass me this stuff. I have my breadcrumbs, which I will be putting into here. So I'm gonna add my breadcrumbs right here. This is my second time doing homemade burgers, and it is good, y'all. I don't have no measurement, guys. I just eyeball it and then just keep mixing and just, you know, so this is how it's looking so far. So now what I'm gonna do is go in and just mix everything in together. After mixing it down, I'm going to, you know, ball the hamburger, you know, ball the hamburgers down and let it sit for 30 minutes before I bake them. Okay, I like to let my food sit for like 30 minutes and then before I bake anything, because I want all the mixture to get in first. Cooking is different, but baking is hard, y'all. For those of you that are bakers, kudos, okay? Excuse me. For those of you that are bakers, God bless you. Okay? God bless you all. It's not an easy task. I bake, but I'm not a baker. I try. But for you people that do baking for a living, it's a hard job, y'all. It's really hard. So it looks like I already have everything in place, mixture wise and everything else. So I have everything incorporated into this stuff. So now basically what I'm gonna do is take a chunk like this. Okay, take a chunk. Take a chunk like that and roll it and then just pat it and just pat it up. That's it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be doing, and I will show you guys once. You can make it thinner, press it down a little bit if you want the inside to cook all the way down, like fully cooked, not half and half. Make sure you press it down. I like it to cook all the way down, okay? I don't want to see no blood, none of that, okay? So this is what I'm gonna be doing, guys. So I will let you know once I'm all done and before I put it in my oven. Okay, guys, I will see you guys. Hey guys, so I just finished, you know, molding the burgers. As you can see right here, they are ready to go into the oven now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get my foil and put it around it for like 10 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to take the foil out and then let it air out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep it there for 10 minutes and let it cook for the rest of the time open. Okay, guys? So I will see you guys again after the whole burger is done. Okay, guys, so now I am done baking the burgers. As you can see, I took the foil off after 10 minutes, and then after that I put it on boil. Is that how you say it? The word boil? Okay, so that's what I put it on. So you see here all of the fat that came out. Did you see? This is all the fat that came out. So now what I'm gonna do is basically gonna take my bowl and take all of the burgers out and then trash all of the fat that came out of the burger. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be putting my, yeah. This is the reason why sometimes when they sell us burgers, we don't even know what comes out of it, okay? Look at all of this stuff that came out. So this is a lot of savings that I'm doing, because when the kids want it, they want to use or they want to eat burger, they can easily go into the container and grab a burger and make a burger for themselves and have a bun in the house. So this can really save time and money instead of running down to the, what do you call it, to the store to go get a burger. You can make your own just like this. Look at that, y'all. Look at all that fat. So this is what we got after all the burgers have been placed into this container, y'all. Look at that. That's a lot, right? For $13.99. And I didn't even use all the meat. I divided the meats, but this is enough for them to eat for a couple days. Yeah, they're boys now, they can eat. Yeah, so that is it. This is how I do my burgers, and this saves me a whole bunch of money. So they'll put whatever they want on their buns, you know, mayonnaise and cheese. That's how they eat their burgers. And then with salad or with french fries or whatever they want to eat it with is up to their choice. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye. Them burgers are good, okay? Where's the little piece here? The little piece, this one. I always save the little piece. Look at that. Well cooked. Look at that.